In charge of a solar farm? Are you an investor? Want to reduce your O&M costs? Not getting the ROI you expected? Introducing SolarSpy, the most innovative analytics platform that uses AI and ML to support smarter and better photovoltaic installation management. It's the only platform that can help overcome all your solar operation challenges. SolarSpy will empower you with an accurate analysis of performance and efficiency, precise and comprehensive defect management, accurate energy forecasts for even better and smarter business decisions. Meet SolarSpy's 3 innovative modules: Performance, Forecasting, Maintenance. Performance. Performance brings accurate assessments and anomaly insights for a better understanding of production issues. See how different events and malfunctions impact your operations. Take the right actions to maximize production and get your budget back on track. Forecasting. Forecasting gives highly accurate energy production forecasts, even up to 10 days ahead. Our AI algorithms use multiple data inputs to generate the most reliable estimates, delivered in any format and according to your business requirements. Maintenance. Maintenance gathers data from high-tech drone assessments for fast and precise defect detection. See the exact location, classification, and impact insights to optimize your upkeep costs and better manage staff with repairs and shutdowns. Get the SolarSpy platform to maximize the performance of your solar installation, deliver reliable energy production forecasts, extend the installation's lifetime with predictive maintenance, reduce O&M costs, get faster and higher ROI. Contact us to get your free trial version